Yo, what's up? I made the world record of the highest TNT to hit bedrock. You better move, by the way. It's going to be a big one. 3, 2, 1. Wait, what? It won't let me. I think I know why. There you go!
I lit it.
Oh, yeah. I lit it too. Oh!
It's going at the ground as well, you know.
Woohoo!
Bro.
Oh my god!
It's going at the ground.
Hey.
I told you this.
Oh wow. That's not coming anymore. What's this? Hey! Ow. What's that?
It's fire. It's fire.
Let's do it again. No.
Hey, let's fill up this whole entire hole for TNT.
Yeah. What about Super TNT?
Is there Super TNT?
Imagine that could break bedrock in survival. Let's fill this into the top.
That's a lot of TNT.
Yeah, I'm gonna light it. Don't do it now. You know there's some at the top too. It's gonna get ready to explode after the bottom. There's not that much at the top. Oh. Some of them
It's getting higher. Make it higher. Make it higher.
I think we should go now. 3. I'm gonna start at the top. 3, 2, 1.
I think it will do it at the top. This is gonna be a bit big, isn't it? Well, it is.
My game's lagging.
Me too. Oh no. Is it actually?
What?
There's so much room.
How? It literally survived.
Cause we're in creative, mother.
Stop, Bo. You didn't mean to. What's the shield thingy?
Oh yeah, you can't break it.
What happens if you...
It's below bedrock.
What? Can you... Is it unstoppable?
Yeah, pretty much.
What about enchanted sword?
It won't.
I'm gonna
More TNT.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do the deepest hole ever.
Bro, this is as deep as you can get it.
No, I went forwards deep. What's that?
You can get through bedrock in a normal world.
What do you mean? All right, no more. We had too much fun. Sheesh.
Bye-bye, McDonald's.
Are you freaking serious now?
No. Should we kill ourselves?
No, I know the way.
Bro, do you want to see my masterpiece?
No.
You know what? I might actually kill myself.
Let's see if it works though.
Let's put keep inventory on.
And delete and say.
Wait, I just thought of something. If I want to die...
You should go in survival and then die.
No, I'm going to go really high and then turn myself in survival. And I bet you any money I die.
Okay.
Oh, there's a
No,
doggy.
I'm not going to give you money.
There's a doggy in the sky. I bet you any money I get there before you.
I said don't care.
Bro,
Wrong one.
thanks.
Where's McDonald's?
I'm going to die. Where's my money, bro?
Oh, yay! Can you put me to survival? I'm going to go very high. And put yourself in creative. I'll tell you when. 3, 2, 1, now.
No, just keep on going higher.
Come on, just do it.
I want to see you go space and then you're just going to draw.
Sure.
flying.
I can actually,
Put faster mode on.
but I can't like that. It can't go higher like that. Six, 700 meters. Mm. No, not now. Do it now. Oh well, I'm safe. Oh. Give me a huggy.
Bruh, I'm getting my cookies.
Don't you dare you.
Bro, we need to do a parkour, you know.
Get me a backwards creative.
Let's do it.
What should we build next? By the way,
I don't know.
subscribe.